Hello everybody, what's going on? Just taking a dog for a walk. Just got back from Jesus, am I getting that old already? A beach bike ride. Just got back, took a little ride by the air. Pretty quiet, a few surfers. Yeah, that's really about it. Just taking Jax for a walk. Jaxie boy. All right. Watch the video. It ain't that long. Just a bike beach ride and introduction to my dog again, Jax. All right, over and out. Man, sun's hit my eyes. All right, guys, later. What are you doing, Jax? Say hi to everybody at home. Jax, say hi to everybody. That's Jax. He's my buddy. You know, I lost my other dog a couple months ago. Jax is all I got left. Right, Jax? He's a good boy. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Sit. There you go. You a good boy? You're a good boy, right? Yes, you are. Look at my buddy. Look at my buddy. What are you doing? Huh? You good boy. You're the good boy. You want to go for a walk? I know you do. Let's go for a walk, man. You ready? I know you want to go for a walk. Who's this speeding by? Somebody's speeding by, Jax. I don't know. You ready, pal? All right, let's go. Let's go. Hold on. Let me get your leash. Some surfers out here today. Waves aren't too big today, guys. All right, back on the bike ride. Taking the rad. All right. Doing construction here along the beach. $1 million homes, probably a couple million. Nice day for a ride. You're not supposed to ride your bike on a boardwalk, but it's kind of after season. I don't know if you're allowed to after Labor Day. I'm not going to do it the whole time, just a little while. Show you guys the beach today. Yeah, this beach club's closed down. Got a big pool in there. I forgot how much money it is. It's ridiculous. I think it's like $2,300 a month just to join this beach club or something for a family. Even if I had it, I don't think I want to do it. That many people in the pool, I'll just have a nice pool in the house. Forget about that. In Long Branch today. Alright, where are we coming to? Coming to Rooney's Crab House. I'm not a seafood eater, so I've never actually been here. A lot of people sit outside, see? A lot of diners outside. It's really nice out there, I'll tell you that. There's a sailboat in the distance. Alright. Just a short little video, guys. Just want to show you everything. Still waiting on the Tesla. Still waiting on the drone giveaway. That's coming up. And then I have it's somewhere in my closet. It's a remote control Doom buggy or something. I forgot how much it was, but it's a pretty nice one. I'll probably do that for a giveaway after the drone. But it's coming up. And then I'll do Tesla videos across the Grand Canyon. Alright guys, over and out. They're doing some kind of, I think it's a surf school here. Some kind of surf school. Haven't seen anybody catch a wave yet. I don't think there's any waves. There's one. That ain't bad. They went down quick. Yeah, it's kind of breaking right on the shore. Not that big of a swell today.